Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart Drive AI, the channel where cars meet the future. If you own a car in 2025 or 2026, then you are living in the smartest era of automotive technology. AI can now diagnose your car, plan your maintenance, prevent accidents, save fuel, and even choose the best gadgets for you. Today, I'm revealing 5 powerful AI tools that every car owner must use in 2026. These tools will save you money, protect your car, and upgrade your driving experience. So, buckle up, let's begin. Number 1. AI Car Doctor. This tool is a game changer. It uses sound-based diagnostics to detect engine problems in seconds. All you do is 1. Open the app, 2. Record your engine sound, 3. Upload it. And within 5 to 10 seconds, the AI tells you what's wrong, how serious it is, estimated repair cost, whether you can still drive or not. This helps you avoid costly breakdowns and stops mechanics from overcharging. Perfect for beginners, used car buyers, and anyone who wants peace of mind. Number 2. Fuel Mind AI. Fuel prices keep rising, right? But this AI can actually help you save money every single day. Fuel Mind analyzes your driving style in real time and gives smart suggestions like when to accelerate smoothly, when to maintain speed, when to stop aggressive braking, the best routes for fuel efficiency. Users report saving 20 to 30% on fuel without changing their car. Just smarter driving, taught by AI. It even gives you a weekly fuel report and compares your driving score with others. Number 3. Auto Care Genius. Most car owners either forget servicing or do it too early. Both waste money. Auto Care Genius tracks everything: engine health, oil life, brake condition, tire wear, battery status, mileage pattern. And then it creates a personalized maintenance plan for your car. No more guessing, no more unnecessary servicing. Just clean, accurate, AI-based reminders. This makes your car last longer and keeps it running smoothly. Number 4. Safe Drive Vision. This one is all about safety, especially for night drivers and highway travelers. Safe Drive Vision uses your phone camera or a small dash cam to detect lane drifting, sleepy driving, rapid closing distance, blind spot movement, sudden pedestrians, overspeeding risks. And it alerts you before something goes wrong. It's like having a mini Tesla autopilot for any car. This tool alone can prevent accidents and save lives. And finally, number 5, Gadget AI Finder. Every year, new car gadgets release, but not all are useful. This AI analyzes your driving habits, car model, and budget to recommend the perfect gadgets for you, such as dash cams, OBD scanners, tire pressure monitors, reverse camera upgrades, emergency kits, wireless chargers, and cabin air purifiers. It even suggests trusted brands and best prices. A must-have for new drivers and car enthusiasts. Here's a bonus. Always combine at least 2 to 3 AI tools to get the best car performance. Diagnostics plus maintenance planning plus safety alerts equals a smart, safe, future-ready car. So that was the list of the top 5 AI tools every car owner must use in 2026. If you love videos about AI tools, smart car gadgets, and future automotive tech, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to Smart Drive AI. This is your host from Smart Drive AI. Drive smart, drive safe, drive with AI. See you in the next video.